Hi everybody, how are you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back to yet another video. It's just going to be a short one today. We're not walking very far, but what we are doing is we're going to find a particular viewpoint that's pretty well known, certainly in this local area. Don't know if you recognise it, but we are in the home valley of West Yorkshire yet again. And that down there is the town of Holmfirth. We're heading to a place called Cliff. Yes, that's right, Cliff. A simple name, but it's a fantastic view. Really well known around here as well. And it gives you a good view of the town of Holmfirth and the upper Holme Valley. So looking forward to checking that out. I'm going to take a few photographs and hopefully be able to fly the drone. The weather, it's warm, bit overcast, so not brilliant, but it's dry at the moment. Anywho, enough babble from me. Let's go have a look at the route on the map. Today's walk starts just outside the village of Skulls near Holmfirth. After crossing fields and farmland, we eventually arrive at Cliff, on the hillside above Holmfirth. After leaving Cliff, it's not very far back to Skulls and Journey's End. I've only walked about 100 metres from the car and we get some cracking views already actually, way up over the Holme Valley. Nice old gate there, look at that. It's been reinforced by some metal structure, but the old wooden one's still there, still hanging on. Just look at all these beautiful beehives. Well, some gate action. This is the first gate action we've had today. Ooh, it's a tight squeeze through there. Oh, are you ready for the clunk? Not bad. We'll have it. So yeah, here we are. This is the area known as Cliff. And you can see we've got some cracking views. I'm allowed to say cracking views. I'm just going to walk a bit further up onto the top of Cliff, the top of the cliff, and see if I can find a decent place, take some photographs and maybe launch the drone if there's not too many people about. So that was Cliff, hope you enjoyed it. It's that time again. It's only a short video, but if you are enjoying it, please drop me a like down below. Smash that thumbs up button, 2025 style. You know what I'm saying. And if you're really enjoying it, please consider subscribing, because that would be great. I'd love to welcome you aboard the channel. Subscribing's free, doesn't cost you a penny, and as we're in Holmfirth in the Home Valley, it's Yorkshire prices today. Free to everybody. Anywho, we're heading back now, so hopefully a few more interesting things to see along the way, and maybe another decent view or two. Let's go see what we can find. Well guys, that was a very short walk indeed. We're almost back at the car park. You can see it. It's about 50 meters away. So I'm going to sign off there. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Just a short one, like I say, but hopefully you really enjoyed the views from Cliff over Holmfirth and the top of the Home Valley. Really enjoyed it myself. I'm glad I made the effort to come out, even though, like I say, it was only just a short, quick excursion up to a viewpoint. A few photographs, fly the drone. Bish bosh bash, as they say. What am I talking about? Anyway, enough nonsense from me. I'll sign off. I'll see you in the next video, hopefully. Cheers, guys. Bye.